This is the EcoFlow RIVER Mini, a portable power station for small jobs and outdoor adventures. Press the main power button to turn on RIVER Mini. On the front of the unit, you'll find an LCD screen that displays key information. Next to the screen are the USB-A ports, and for the wireless version, there is a USB-C port. To the right of the screen, you'll find a car outlet. The IoT button resets your unit's wireless connection and makes it discoverable to other devices. On the back of the RIVER Mini, you can find the charging ports under the dust cover. Next to that, you'll find the AC outlets and AC power button. If your RIVER Mini has the wireless charging feature, place compatible devices on top to charge them wirelessly. On the back is a grip for added portability. That's the exterior of RIVER Mini in a nutshell. Need more tutorials? Head to our EcoFlow Support YouTube channel.